Are you aware that you can earn money by selling internet bandwidth for passive income? Well, if you have a data plan with unlimited access and think a lot of internet bandwidth is getting wasted, this is the best way to earn money. And how does it work? You must install an application on your mobile or PC and keep it running in the background to share the bandwidth. Those who purchase it will utilize it regularly whenever they want. Location, number of IP addresses, and network speed are the factors that influence how much you earn. Now, what about privacy? Well, you're allowing the person whose identity is unknown to use your internet and IP address to surf whatever they want by providing your internet bandwidth. You will have no authority over what other people do on the internet using your network. Certain websites may be prohibited in a given country or territory, and you never know who is accessing them over your network. No one can guarantee that it is entirely safe, and the Google Play Store also does not support these apps. It's a good source of passive income, but it's always a gray area. We have summed up a list of a few applications to sell your internet bandwidth. Let's get rolling. 1. IPRoyal. IPRoyal is a relatively new website that few people are aware of, although several bloggers claim it is the best website for selling internet bandwidth. They pay $0.20 for every 1 GB of shared data. The website's user experience is straightforward. Furthermore, because few people are aware of the website, you will have a better chance of sharing more bandwidth. 2. Honeygain. Honeygain is a handy and excellent web service for selling internet bandwidth around the world. For every 10 MB of data you share, you get 1 credit. You must have 20,000 credits, which is equal to $20, in order to check out the payment. They started collecting less bandwidth from each individual as their popularity grew. For every 10 gigabytes of data you share, you get $1. This website also gives $5 as a joining bonus. They also have a referral program where you can earn a little more by inviting other people. You can also estimate your earnings per month on their website. 3. Peer-to-Profit. Peer-to-Profit is yet another fantastic peer-to-peer bandwidth sharing network. Every month you can make $6 to $75. Remember, the larger your network, the more money you'll make. This is one of the best options for sharing network bandwidth worldwide. They also have a referral program. For every 30 referrals, they pay around $100. They have multiple payout platforms like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, WebMoney, etc. 4. PacketStream. Another well-known website for selling internet bandwidth for money is PacketStream. It's also a peer-to-peer home proxy network that allows users to share bandwidth similar to a peer-to-profit. You get $0.10 as charges for every 1 GB of data shared. Buyers must pay $1 for each and every 1 GB of data purchased. It is a reliable website with AWS and PayPal as technological partners. 5. Income. Most users trust and approve this site under the Share and Earn program. There are over 150 countries using the software. Using the software in the background while using other applications won't adversely affect your computer's speed. This application allows you to earn between $5 to $60. Depending on which country you are in, you receive money per GB of data shared from $0.02 to $0.07. Only after you have earned $20 can you withdraw your money. For this application, PayPal is the only method of withdrawal. You must have a PayPal account in order to withdraw funds. Through referrals, you earn 25% of your earnings. Only Windows is compatible with this software. If you use another device, it will not work. 6. Spider. Besides providing money for sharing internet data, Spider.com also gives you money for sharing your data. Every 10 gigabytes you share on Spider, you will receive $1.50. An affiliate scheme allows you to earn 25%. For this site, you must earn at least $20 before you can withdraw money. You can withdraw only through your PayPal account. You can also make money by sharing your internet through Privatix, Mysterium Network, Nanowire, and Wikrip, but they only accept crypto and don't pay cash. These sites will be most useful to you if you are into cryptocurrency. There is one thing to keep in mind. The sites and applications that have been mentioned here do not accept any other withdrawal methods besides PayPal. So, there you have it. These are the apps to make money by sharing your internet. I hope you find these tools helpful in making money as a passive income by sharing your network bandwidth. All of these sites are free to join, so pick one that suits you. Download the application you want and follow the setup instructions to get started. And if you want to optimize your earnings more, you can also use various applications simultaneously in your system. Learn something watching the video. How about sharing with the world? Do like and subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you in the next video. Bye for now.